Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles for You. And today I'm going to show you how to draw Miss Puff from Spongebob Squarepants. So I'm going to get started drawing Miss Puff with the eyes. So I'm going to start with an oval here. And then we can do a little oval inside that and color that in all black. And then we can do 1, 2, 3 eyelashes up top, and they're pretty thick. And now let's do a little mouth here, a little nose and mouth situation. So we can do a curve like that, and then put a little line here, and do one on the bottom. And then we can do almost like the top part of a heart, and then the bottom part of a heart for the lips. Next, let's do the other eye. So we can come up and do that oval. And then we're going to do the inside, color it all black, and then those 3 little eyelashes again as well. So 1, 2, and 3. So next thing we're going to do, let's work on the hair. So we've got some little rounded bits of hair here. So 1, 2, 3, do 4, and we'll do another one up there a bit. And then this way we're doing a big curve. And it's almost like the shape of a C. And then we're coming on down this way, coming on up. And then we're going to give her a little hat. So we can put a line here like this, and come on up, go across, come on back down, and then we can do a curved top. And then this line continues there, it's going in behind the hat, and connects here to this piece of hair. Okay, so next, let's do a line coming down this way, and one coming down this way. This one's a little bit of a curved line, not quite straight. And now we can do a little flipper, or a little fin, kind of like a soft triangle. And we can do 1, 2, 3 little lines through it. And right here, we're going to curve to here and match up with this line. And coming down this way, we're going to do like a squiggly line. Okay, and now we can put some circles here. And they can be different sizes. And now we're going to come down a little bit more right here. And we're going to come across a little bit rounded like we did with this line up here, and match up to right here. Now let's do the other fin. This one, she's going to be kind of waving. Do a few little lines on the inside. And now we can do a line like this, and same on that side. Do a little curve right here, and we can come on down, and same right here. Next, we're going to do like a little skirt. And this is a wavy, wavy, wavy one. And now we can do a little curved line and do some legs. So 1 leg and 2 leg. And we've got some 1, 2 little lines there on the leg. Same as the other one. And now we got shoes. So we've got like a chunky heel, and then it curves up. So same on the other one. Chunky heel, and the shoe curves up. All right, so we've got our drawing all sketched out, and now I'm going to do some coloring. All right, everyone, we're finished our drawing. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for whatever we draw next. All right, everyone, goodbye.